as they might like. So we probably won't find any of these, but we might get lucky and find one. Stoneflies, the larvae look like this. And the way you're making an ew face. They're not ew, they don't bite or anything. They're really cool. So stoneflies.
Over the top of the ripple, and you're gonna wait. And then when we say go, I want you to kick rocks and make your way down towards us with the net. And when you get down there, we're gonna yell stop, and we're gonna pick the net up and see what we got.
Okay.
Sound like a plan?
And it's a good thing they're doing.
Everybody happy? All right, we're gonna kick our way down.
We don't have anything on that happy.
Start kicking it up.
Hey, it's getting close.
You need to go back to the car.
You get in the net. Wait.
Kick it down a little bit. Keep going. Keep going. One more. All right, let's go.
You got a big thing right there.
Yeah, we got a stick. We can get that out of there. I'm not seeing a whole bunch quite yet.
Because there's a big
So pick through all that net and see if you find anything. There's probably some bugs and maybe a crayfish.
crayfish! Catfish!
Buddy, catch it. Put it in the bucket.
We can't! That will hit you.
Come on.
Oh, you got it.
If you, we learned
The bucket's over here.
Here's the bucket. Here's the bucket over here.
There we go.
You can find more in there.